Hey guys, welcome to another video. What you are seeing on your screen right now is a screenshot of the payment that was received by one of our students for just sharing faceless videos on YouTube. He didn't have to show his face, no expensive equipment, just sharing videos on YouTube. Now you're wondering, is this actually possible? Yes, it is possible. What you are seeing is a sum of over $54,000 for just creating faceless videos. That's not just one person. A lot of people are doing it. If you look at this other one now, you see this is another payment received from another student. A lot of people right now are jumping into creating faceless videos and sharing it on Facebook. So if you don't have a YouTube channel right now, you might be missing out on the opportunity to make a lot of money for yourself. So in case you have been thinking about how to start a YouTube channel and maybe you are a shy person or you don't have the equipment, you don't have the camera, but you're thinking of how to do it, you are interested in it, then stick around to the end of this video because this video is specifically made for you. So make sure to watch this video to the end. Try not to skip any part of this video because I'm going to show you why you should start a faceless YouTube channel today and how you can even start making money from it. I'll show you where you can actually start learning. All right, so if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Awajima Misuto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before we get into the video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss all of the important details, all of the important videos I'll be creating. So having said that, I'm going to go now straight into the place where you're going to learn more. Let's talk about how you can start your faceless YouTube channel and how you can start making money for yourself. Now, here is the page that I am talking about where you can actually start from if you want to start a YouTube channel and start making money from creating faceless YouTube videos. Okay, on your screen now, we're just going to analyze the page and then show you the possibilities if you get into the program. All right, so on your screen right now, you're seeing the new method of earning hundreds and thousands of dollars from YouTube every month without showing your face. As you can see, this is a screenshot which is an evidence of another money that was made by this person. All right, if you go down, you can see it says you can earn hundreds and thousands of dollars from YouTube using your smartphone or your laptop. So there's no question of saying whether I don't have a laptop on or I only have a smartphone. You can do this, and it's not really that complicated. But how is this possible? To better understand this, you need to understand how YouTube makes money. You see, YouTube is a video-based platform that hosts other people's videos. I'm sure you know by now because most times if you're looking for solutions, maybe you want to watch something, you want to learn something, you quickly go to YouTube and type it. All right, you go there and type it. So a lot of people are always there looking for solutions to their problems. All right, so advertisers who have products or services to sell, they will pay YouTube for YouTube to show their adverts on their platform. That's why when you're watching a video on YouTube, you just notice that advertisements will just be popping up. It is because somebody has paid YouTube to put their videos in front of you. Are you getting it now? So as people are paying YouTube, YouTube is also paying content creators for their efforts for using YouTube. Are you getting now? So YouTube then shows these ads on videos, which is exactly how YouTube earns money. All right, YouTube is earning from people who are paying for ads, and then YouTube is paying you for using YouTube. Are you seeing this now? So tell me, why don't you want to have a YouTube channel? Why shouldn't you have a YouTube channel? If you go down, if you scroll, you will see this is where the understanding of YouTube game comes in play. Are you seeing it now? You scroll now, you read all of these ones. Are you seeing? Take a look at YouTube homepage screenshots. Can you see all of these videos are videos that are created as faceless videos? Now let's assume you are a viewer, you decide to open YouTube and you are shown the videos above. Of course, you cannot watch all the videos at once, which means you can only click on one video at the moment. This means that out of all the videos you are shown, only one of them will get a click, which means that the once you view this video, the person whose video is viewed becomes the winner, and the person whose video is not viewed becomes the person that doesn't win. Are you getting it now? So you can be creating videos that attract a lot of people, videos that is created that does not show your face, and a lot of people will be watching, and then you are growing your subscribers, you are growing your watch hours. Are you getting now? And before you know it, once you get to the monetization stage, YouTube begins to pay you. All right, I don't want to waste time on this page. I'm just showing you some of the possibilities. All right, so how do you make the money? How do you make the money? This money that I've shown you now, you can see different money. How do you make the money? Right, let's look at how you make the money. All you need to do is to implement strategies that really work. Now, most people do not understand that, which is why they struggle so hard to grow a successful YouTube channel. Yes, a lot of people have YouTube channel and yet they are not even earning from it. I have a YouTube channel and I'm earning from it. Are you getting it now? So you too can also do that. Why are they not earning? They don't know how to build a successful channel, and that's why you are here. Okay, that's why you are here. Some people will say, I don't have the equipment. Some will say, I'm shy. Some will say, I don't know how to create content. I don't know the kind of content I should be creating. I don't know the tools I should be using. That is why you need a faceless YouTube blueprint. And that's why I'm showing you this. Are you getting it now? So if you look through, you see that the faceless YouTube blueprint is a ticket to making serious money without the need for you to appear on camera. You don't need to show your face on camera. Right now, you are listening to me. You are not seeing my face. But YouTube is going to pay me for this video by the time I get to the threshold. Are you getting now? You might be wondering, how can I build a profitable YouTube channel without showing my face? Here's the thing. You don't need to have a camera to succeed. If you have a smartphone, just like this one now you're watching now, you can make money from this system. The key to making money on YouTube is to create the content itself. Meaning that if you want to create content, you need to be creating content that is very, very compelling, content that is entertaining, content that people really want to watch. Are you getting now? So, but a lot of people will just go on YouTube and start creating content because they say you can create faceless content and start making money. And they create faceless content and they're not making the money and they're wondering why. All right. That is why you need to join a platform. You need a platform that will teach you. You need a program that will show you exactly how to do it step by step, what to avoid. Now let's look at it. Why do you need this program? You need this program because there's a lot of things you're going to learn. All right, so that you can avoid the problems, so that you can avoid getting banned from YouTube. Are you getting it now? So what you will learn from Faceless YouTube long form blueprints, it teaches you how to upload long form videos that go viral without you needing to film or record content. Are you getting it now? It teaches you all you need to know about how you can monetize your channel and start earning money from YouTube. Another thing you will learn is how you can automate your YouTube long form business so you don't have to work all the time. Are you getting it now? The next one is that how you can monetize your long form video and make money from other markets. There's a whole lot you are going to be learning. Look at all these things. See all you'll be learning. See all the things you'll be learning. All right. See, take a look at it. This is all you'll be learning. There's so much you can learn from here. All right. I'm supposed to, if I want to go down and start showing you everything you'll be learning, we cannot exhaust all of them in this video. I'm just showing you the possibilities that you can get if you join a program that teaches you step by step how to create faceless videos and how to make money from it by sharing your videos on YouTube. Are you seeing now? If you go down, you're going to see more details about what you are getting if you join this program. So in order not to waste your time in this video, I've just dropped the link. All right. If you are interested in making money from this system, I will drop the link in the description. All right. I will drop the link so that you can come and check this page by yourself. All right. You check the page by yourself. Look at it very well. There's nothing hidden. Look at it very well. If it's something that you really want, of course, I recommend that you should grab this at once. If you can afford it, grab it at once, because this is an opportunity. This is like a retirement plan for you to be earning in dollars irrespective of wherever you are from. Okay, so in order not to waste your time, I'm going to drop the link in the description. Do well to check the link. Okay, check the link, click on it. It will take you to this same page. So when you get to this page, take your time and look at everything on the page. If it is something you truly love and you really want to go for it, this is not for everybody. All right, go to the link in the description, click on the link. It will bring you here, read through, and then grab it. All right, that is all I'm going to be doing in this video today. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I post new videos. I'm going to be making more videos about how you can make money from faceless channels. Just make sure you have liked, make sure you have subscribed, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.